Hello guys, I'm Meet Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a fresher or early career candidate looking for opportunities in engineering, backend development or software roles, then today's video is going to be very useful for you because today I have bought three opportunities, one from a top global company, second one is a system engineer role for freshers, and third one is a backend developer role. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's start with the first opportunity. The company is ABB and they are hiring for the role of R&D engineer. The location is Bangalore and this is a hybrid full-time role. Now let's understand what you will actually do in this role. In this job, you will be working on research and development projects, which means you won't just code, you will be involved from design to development to testing and even maintenance. You will work on building concepts, understanding requirements, designing systems, and implementing solutions, and integrating them into real products. You will also collaborate with different teams, coordinate across multiple projects, and contribute to improving product design and user experience. Another important part is debugging and improving existing systems, identifying issues, and making systems better. You will also work on documentation and follow proper development processes like agile methodology. So overall this is a complete product engineering plus R&D role. Now coming to the skills, you should have knowledge of C Sharp, .NET and object-oriented programming. Understanding of WPF and unit testing is important. Basic knowledge of PLCs, microcontrollers or industrial systems will be an added advantage. Exposure to React, Node.js or even AI/ML concept is a plus. Now coming to the eligibility, you should have ME or MTech in computer science, electronics, electrical, instrumentation or related field. Experience required is 0 to 3 years, so freshers with strong skills and projects can apply. Now salary, based on data you can expect around 9 to 15 LPA, which is very strong package for this type of role. Now moving to the second opportunity, the company is Amber Consultant and they are hiring for the role of system engineer. The location is Chennai. This is a full-time role and perfect for freshers. Now what you will actually do here? You will work on developing and supporting applications using Java and Spring Boot. You will build REST APIs, handle database operations, debug issues, and collaborate with teams on front-end, cloud, and deployment tasks. So this is a full-stack learning opportunity. Now coming to the skills, you should have basic knowledge of Java, object-oriented programming, SQL and REST APIs, exposure to Spring Boot, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, especially in Angular and Git will be a plus. BE Tech in computer science or IT is required and this role is mainly for 0 to 1 year of experienced candidates. Salary is around 3 to 4 LPA, which is basic for freshers. Now moving to the third opportunity, the company is IT Spare and they are hiring for the role of Backend Kotlin Developer role and this is a remote opportunity. Now what will you do actually in this role? You will design, implement and maintain backend systems using Kotlin and TypeScript. You will build REST APIs, work on database design and optimize performance for high volume applications. You will also work on production systems, testing and continuous integration, so this role is more backend focused and slightly advanced compared to fresher roles. Now coming to the skills, you should have experience with Kotlin, TypeScript and databases like PostgreSQL or MySQL, understanding of microservices architecture, testing and cloud platforms like AWS, Azure or GCP is also important. Now coming to the eligibility, this role is open for 0 to 4 years of experienced candidates, so freshers with strong backend projects can try, but it's more suitable for candidates with some hands-on experience. So yeah guys, these were the three opportunities. Make sure to choose the opportunity according to your skill set and make sure to check out the application link in the description box. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching guys.